Hi again, everybody. Perfect Storm Trading here, Wednesday morning, September 15th, 2021. Let's look at the pattern on the Astro Excel. We're following the lines pretty closely here. We had this down day yesterday, this down move, the green line and blue line bottom together right at the day session close, and that's where the low was. We made a low, we retest the low, we start bouncing up as both lines turn up. Right now you can see we follow the blue line fairly closely. This high became an inverted bottom on the blue line spike. So now we're coming into this area of another turning point on the blue line here. This one's a little bit flat and wide. So we'll see what happens here. But after that we do turn up. We've got upward pressure on both lines till late in the day today, till about 3:30 or so on the blue line and right to the close on the green line. Right about 3:30 at 4 o'clock, that area right there, it starts to roll over on both lines. Now in the on the Vedic here, which I have right next to that, in the big white block, which is inside the bigger green block, I drew this box in here yesterday and indicated we're going to make a new high or a new low or both. We did get both. We had kind of double bottomed here on this big wick and then it took off. We made a new high and then we traded down all day long and then made that new low. Remember, we had turning point dates, so it's possible we may have reversed back up with that low yesterday. We may push up from here. This area between the 15th and the 20th, if you watch the daily bar video, this area between the 15th and 20th was going to be, could be kind of choppy. We have various cycles coming in between the 15th and 20th, but the key dates were averaging out to be yesterday, then again on the 20th, and then the 26th. So those are key swing dates for the daily bar charts in September. Let's get a couple of turn times for today. Okay, here I'll bring the rainbow chart in. We had few of these triggered overnight. It's kind of quiet market there. We had a little short here at 204. This when we're inside when we're triangling, I do not look to take those triggers. This was really a low volatility area and we're making this triangle pattern here. The only thing you could do would be to take a breakout in that situation. I wouldn't try to read this for a trend of any sort. But that broke to the upside. We got this little pushback up and then we started to flatten out again. The next signal, it was really flat. It's another one to ignore. Now we're coming up. We're starting to push up a little bit here into this trigger. We'll see if we get a reversal bar here. You could take that back down. And then the next triggers coming today are around 740. Right before the open, 926. Another one about 940. Now remember, this one is based on the A7, A8, the bottom two panels. That window's a little bit wider. That window goes from about 934 to 943. So that's about a 9-minute window. I just popped the line in about the center. So you just look for reversal bars in that frame. Or if you have a price prediction method, you can take that and use that. Same here. This the late one here is at 13:52 this afternoon, and that's the last one for the day. This other one doesn't come until about 16:18, and we don't want to look for entries in that time of day. Okay, so there you have it. That's it for Wednesday's video. We will be back again with another video tomorrow. See you then.